Today's practice marketing video is about the basics of pay-per-click marketing. Stay tuned for the next few minutes to learn everything you need to know about PPC. In this video, we are going to cover what is pay-per-click and various terms and definitions that are important to remember. So what is pay-per-click advertising? PPC advertising is a search engine marketing model wherein advertisers are charged only when users click on their online advertisements. It allows you to target a specific audience through keyword usage and geo-targeting, helping you drive traffic to a website or phone number depending on the call to action. All of these will be covered in this presentation. As you can see in the visual above, when a user types in a search query, the search engine will generate the best results. The top box are all paid search ads, as well as the right sidebar, as you can see above. Below the paid search ads are the organic search results, and below the organic search results are the local search results. The first term we are going to cover is keyword. Keywords are terms relevant to your practice that are used to show your ads to potential patients. Keywords are the cornerstone of successful PPC campaigns as they determine what users are searching for and how often. In order to determine which keywords will have the greatest impact on your campaign, you need to conduct thorough research of what is being searched online. The most successful keywords for your specific campaign depend on a few things: your practice, your market, and your PPC budget. The next definitions we are going to cover is cost per click, or CPC, keyword bidding, and impressions. Cost per click is the amount an advertiser, or you in this case, is charged each time their advertisement is clicked by a person searching. To determine your cost per click, you have to understand keyword bidding, which is the process of identifying the maximum amount you are willing to spend on each click. And impressions are the total number of times an advertisement is shown in the search results, and this volume depends on your budget and your cost per click. So let's think of this process like an auction. First, you bid on a maximum cost per click. This should be the most that you're willing to pay for each click. This is directly related to your daily budget since it determines how often your ad is shown or how many impressions your ad receives. To determine your cost per click, you have to consider your monthly and daily budget. Your monthly budget being the total amount you're willing to spend each month versus your daily, which is the total amount you're willing to spend each day. It is important to note that you need to use your daily budget to ensure your campaign will run throughout the entire month instead of using your entire monthly budget in 1 week. For example, let's say you have $1,000 to spend each month on your PPC advertising campaigns. Divide that $1,000 by 30, which is the total number of days in each month, and you get 33. Therefore, your max bid should really be $3 per click so you can get at least 10 clicks per day. And as you can see in the visual above, cost per click is reported both on a keyword basis and on an average basis in tools like Google AdWords. This means that you will be able to see in your reporting dashboard the average cost per click for each keyword as well as for the entire campaign. What you actually pay now is a different story. Arriving at this amount involves a more complicated formula that we will cover in a separate webinar. The next few slides focus on building the actual campaign after you've identified your keywords and set your max bids and budgets. The campaign elements that we are going to review have one thing in common. They help you save money by refining your ad campaign. The first term to understand is match types. Match types determine which variations of your keywords will lead to your ad. There are 3 different types. Exact treats the keyword as a singular keyword, which includes only that keyword. For example, dentists in New York City, or NYC to be exact. A phrase treats the keyword as part of a larger phrase, which includes any keyword phrases that include your entire keyword. For example, I need a dentist in New York City. And broad treats the keyword as an idea, which includes grammatical variations, synonyms, and related words. For example, dentist in New York City. The next thing you should consider when building your campaign is a geo-target. Geo-targeting gives you the ability to present your ad only to potential patients in your local area. So how does geo-targeting work? You select an area to target your target based on a 10 to 50 mile radius around your zip code. This means that your ads will only be shown to users who actually have the potential to choose you as a doctor. So why is geo-targeting important? It ensures that people clicking on your ad will actually consider visiting your practice. And it also doesn't waste impressions or money on clicks that won't likely convert to patients. And the last term to consider is day parting. Day parting is the ability to run your campaign only during your office hours. Why is this important? This ensures someone can answer the phone and return an email as soon as a patient tries to contact you. And just like geo-targeting, it doesn't waste impressions or money on clicks that won't likely convert to patients. Our last three terms are the most important when understanding digital marketing. The first is conversions. Conversions are the individuals who click on your ads and book an appointment. They are the #1 reason you have digital marketing campaigns in the first place. So what makes an individual choose your practice based off a PPC ad campaign? An effective landing page. A landing page is a single or multi-page website that your ads drive potential patients to. It allows you to establish your practice as a leader in the market and make it as easy as possible for individuals to find the answers about your practice and book their first appointment. At the end of the day, your focus should be on driving new patients to your practice, not on acquiring as many clicks as possible. That brings us to your cost per lead. This is the average value assigned to each new patient referral. In order to find this, you simply take your monthly budget and divide that by your total number of leads. This will show you whether or not your ads are working or if you need to make any changes to drive more patients to your practice. And that brings us to the end of our video. As always, if you have any questions about pay-per-click marketing or any other digital marketing topic, feel free to email us at practicemarketing@everydayhealthinc.com. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and +1 us on Google+.